Welcome to Somalia, a country with a rich history and vibrant culture. Today we will take you on a journey to experience a day in the life of the Somali people. As the sun rises, the streets come alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life. Street vendors set up their stalls, selling fresh fruits, vegetables, and traditional Somali delicacies. The aroma of spices fills the air, enticing locals and visitors alike. Somali children hurry to school, eager to learn and expand their horizons. Education is highly valued in Somalia, and laughter and chatter fill the classrooms. Teachers inspire and encourage their students, nurturing the bright minds of tomorrow. We witness the vibrant trade that sustains the community in the bustling markets. Traders skillfully negotiate prices, showcasing their goods which range from exquisite handmade crafts to beautiful fabrics. The market is a mosaic of colors and sounds, reflecting Somalia's rich heritage. As the day progresses, we visit the idyllic coastal towns where fishermen cast their nets into the deep blue sea. The catch of the day is hauled onto wooden boats with incredible teamwork and precision. In the evening, the aroma of grilled fish fills the air, bringing families and friends together to share a hearty meal. Somalia is a land of unity and resilience. Follow us for part 2.